What is going on YouTube? Ty back again with another video from the Dividend Stock King. On this channel, we talk about making money. We talk about making passive income through purchasing dividend paying stocks. Okay. Disclaimer, I'm not a tax professional. I'm not a stock expert. These are my opinions. Today's video is how do I know if a stock pays a dividend? How do you know? Okay, so when I look at a stock, there's a couple easy ways to look at it because some people don't really know. So I look at Main Street Capital. When I look at Main Street Capital, I'm using Robinhood. If you want to use Robinhood, I have a link below the box. So you go to Robinhood, which I'm up $232 in Main Street Capital. You see a dividend yield. That's the yield on how much they pay a dividend. So that's your first sign right there that it pays a dividend. Now, Robinhood is not always accurate on this. The dividend yield is super high or super low, and sometimes it don't show anything, but it does pay a dividend. But this is just the first sign that would tell you that it pays a dividend. That whether it pays monthly, quarterly, or biannually, we don't know. Robinhood don't tell you that. Okay, but it does pay a dividend. So you see a number in this box here, dividend yield. More than likely, they pay a dividend. Well, pretty much 9 times out of 10, they pay a dividend. So how else can I show that they pay a dividend? Well, you put it in Google. You put in Main Street Dividend, that's the ticker symbol for Main Street Capital, and you go to the dividend.com. Now, the dividend.com tells you how much they pay in dividend, when they pay it, and anything else. So it tells you right here, the next amount is 20 cents. Next payable due is November 13th, which is pretty accurate because I get paid on the 15th. The last, no thanks. The last time I got paid was October 15th, which is the 15th. It tells you frequent pays monthly. It tells you the shot clock, so you must buy within 4 days to get the next dividend. So you buy in the next 4 days, you get the next dividend. If you buy in 6 days, you'll miss a month and you get paid the following month. So dividend.com will tell you the frequency. It tells you when they pay next, when they pay last, and the amount. It tells you everything on dividend.com. And it tells you if it increased their dividend over the years. It tells you if it increased the dividend over time, the dividend frequency is monthly. It tells you all this stuff. Okay? Dividend.com and the NASDAQ will tell you, .com will tell you, their own website will tell you, his website, Main Street Capital. And every website is different, but they'll tell you how much they pay out every month. So we go to a stock or ETF or funds website, there should be a section that says investors and dividends. You go to dividends here, it will tell you how much they pay and when they pay. So let's see. So it says here, regular monthly dividends. It's paid monthly here. And here's the record date and declaration date. So record date is the day that you bought the stock. Okay, so now they already declared that November and December we will get dividends. So it tells you right here the dividend total. Also on this website, it tells you if you buy a certain amount, how many you get back. I think I'm still recording. Let me see. So I'm still recording. It will tell you, so you put in, if you get 50 shares, you make $10.25 a month. If you do 500 shares, you make $102 per month. Okay? That's another way you can see if a stock pays monthly, quarterly, and whatever. So type in the ticker symbol, and the ticker symbol is this right here, buy main. The ticker symbol is the symbol here. It's like a little nickname of the stock. So you type it in here, you put dividend, and there's plenty of websites. Dividend is the main one you can use. I use Seeking Alpha. It tells you is it monthly. You go to the dividend history. It tells you when they pay. Is it the frequency? How much they paid? The dates, everything. So Seeking Alpha, Dividend.com, use Google. If you look at a stock on Robinhood, you just put in a stock, just by looking at the dividend yield, that tells you that it pays a dividend. If you don't see nothing there, it more likely not paying a dividend. But please check. Please check because you never know. Say with Amazon here. Go to Amazon. You can see Amazon is expensive. If you look at Amazon, there's no dividend yield here because they don't pay a dividend. So what you could do is, okay, no dividend yield. Let me double check. I'll go to Google. I'll go to dividend.com, seek an alpha, and then that will tell you. Or go to the website, and they have a section for investors and a section for dividends. So that's how you see if a company pay a dividend or not. That's how I look at it. I look at the dividend yield. I look at the Seeking. I go to Seeking Alpha. I was using Dividend.com. I still use it to this day, but I like Seeking Alpha because it tells you more history about it. It tells you the history. It tells you the dividend history. It tells you everything. It gives a scorecard. I like Seeking Alpha a little better. You can look back and, okay, 18 cents, 19 cents, 20 cents. It hasn't increased it. And you can see here every month is paid. And it says paid monthly, how much is paid every year. You go back 8-9 years, so you see for yourself. All right. So that's how you can tell if a stock pays a dividend. All right. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to build this thing up. I'm trying to teach people that, if we just take some of our money that we buy on stuff we don't need and invest it in some dividend paying stocks, we can build passive income. Because when you first start buying stocks, you're not making much money. You're making 10, 20 cents. That's nothing. But the more you buy them, when you get paid, you get the check, you pay your bills. The more you buy them, the more money you start to make. And you see how, middle of the night, you get paid, $10. Like, what? You paid $10? Like, yeah, you paid $10. So check out my channel. I have other videos of stocks and ETFs and funds that I like. I show why I like them, how much they pay, the frequency, what's in the fund, the ETF, why I like a certain stock. I love Main Street Capital. I can tell. I love Main Street Capital a lot. I bought a share today. I bought a share today just because I love Main Street Capital a lot. I bought a share today. I am up to 58 shares, and here you see 500 shares is $100 a month. That's a whole lot of shares, okay? That's a whole lot of money. I'm there to get there no time soon. But, I love Main Street Capital. Look how much I got invested. I'm up $237. And you look at the past year of last year, it was way more money than it is now. It's been stagnant for a while. But it's up $45 a share. And it's dropped. Look at it, it's 19 cents, 15 cents a share in Main Street Capital. Look at the 5-year growth really quickly. It was going up. It was going up a lot. I mean, here's still a good deal. I mean, just think if now I invest now and it goes up to, $38, $40 a share, I'm in there like Flynn. Okay, so it was steadily going up. This the line I like. This line right here, I like this line. I like it. It's going up. The price is going up. If you invest in it now at the $29, $28, the good time to invest in it. And then it dropped. Now it's going up a little. It came up a little bit. It dropped down to $29 now. But it pays monthly. It pays 20 cents a share. 5 shares give you $1. You build that thing up. You build it up. Thanks for watching my video. You know I love Main Street Capital. I can't say enough about Main Street Capital. Every YouTuber I watch, all of them have Main Street Capital because they love the passive income. They like the monthly dividend. So please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Please share the video. Please subscribe it. And I'll see you next time.